Again, practice make perfect. The technique and procedure are exactly the same as before. We have x squared plus 2x minus x. We try to factorize it. X times x, negative 8 is maybe positive 4 times negative 2. We add them together. We have positive 2x, so this is correct guessing. And the denominator here, that means it is x plus 4 times x minus 2. Unfortunately, none of the factors here are the same, so we have no other method but we have to create a quite long denominator. For the first term, what is missing is x plus 2, so I try to multiply x plus 2 here. Don't forget to add a bracket here, otherwise it will become just negative x times this, which is totally different meaning. And then for the second fraction, we have x plus 2, but we don't have this 2 factor, so we have to multiply this 2 factor. And again, not only negative 2 times it, but the whole thing times it. Then we try to combine them to one single fraction because the denominator are exactly the same now. X plus 4 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. It's quite troublesome to handle this, so we just copy it down to see anything that we can simplify. This is 2 minus x, while this is x plus 2. It's because these two brackets are exactly the same, so I try to write in terms of square, and then we have the second bracket here. Now we find that x plus 2 is not common, but however 2 minus x and x minus 2, again they are similar but not exactly the same. 2 minus x can change to negative times of x minus 2. So that's what I need to do. So finally, I'm going to extract the common factor. Or you may consider every term inside a fraction we divide by x minus 2 together. But this time I try to write the full format. So we extract x minus 2. The first term, taken out this bracket, we had negative, and bracket x plus 2 is left. From the second term, we taken out one bracket, so one bracket is still left. We find there is a common factor in the numerator and denominator. Both we find x minus 2. So both of them we divide by x minus 2 and then it's disappeared. The rest we just need to calculate. The numerator is negative x, negative 2, and then this bracket you expand it in your draft, x minus 2 times x plus 4, it will become x times x plus 4 minus 2 times x plus 4. X squared plus 4x and then minus 2x minus 8. We have x squared plus 2x minus 8. Afterward, we continue. We find the like terms, x squared no like term, and then 2x minus x to give positive x. So x squared plus x minus 2 minus 8 is become minus 10. And then the denominator, x plus 4, x plus 2. Nothing we can do now, so we compare with the answer. We find the numerator are the same and also the denominator are the same also. So the answer is C.